Hi, my name's Chris Horton, and today we're at the Fort Walton Beach MarineMax, and we're on a 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX OB. That's with the outboard. This one comes already equipped with a Simrad chart plotter and GPS. Moving forward, you've got plenty of seating. Captain's chair with a flip down bolster. Really large storage compartment. There's your cover. This is powered by a Mercury 115 horsepower Pro XS. Nice swim pad. You have a cooler underneath of here. And where the motor used to be when it was an inboard outboard, it's all storage now. So you can put a lot of stuff in here. Nice thing about it is this outboard motor weighs half as much as the inboard outboard, and it's much more economical to run. And you don't sacrifice much on the swim platform. If you'd like to know more about this boat, give me a call on my cell at 850-974-6032.